13-5, has 5.
13-5. Ladder 28-5. Shoot ladder 28.
40 amps, pop up.
Engine 22.
Ladder 25 with 4.
Shoot ladder 25.
Rescue 11 with 40 ambulances and bypass.
Receive rescue 11. 11-8.
6.
Receive tower 13. 11-8 reported a conveyor belt on fire.
Copy on the conveyor belt. There was a roof.
Receive command 11. 11-8, 13-8B's on scene, fire show.
Copy that. Go ahead and start tanker 33, please, sir.
Receive.
13-5, don't let me. Jan 13-5.
We'll rely on the second direction. Joe, you think the hydrant as you see the exit.
I'll let you know when I get there. That's fine. Having tanker 33 come. If it's raining the backside, it's gonna be a long way.
Reason. Rescue 20 are out with 4.
Rescue 20.
13.
Straight 13.
11-8's on scene out for anyone come in.
Receive 11-8.
Arrival rescue 11. Chief, you want to stick his liner now? Looks like it's in the middle, correct?
That's correct. Come on down to the halfway point and do a, drop the line at the curve and 13-5 lay into their split lane.
Copy.
11-8. Is it going to be a split lane or a relay?
Rescue 11 to 13. It's going to be a split lane. Relay to the Bravo Charlie side of the first two buildings.
Come here, let's see.
Receive.
Rescue 11, make sure you left yourself enough room to get all the way back there.
Bravo 13-2. Relaying from their bundle to the hydrant at the entrance to the second engine assignment.
Receive 13-5.
Highway.
Arrival Tower 13, first special.
Receive tower 13.
Tanker 33 responding crew 2.
Receive tanker 33.
Tower 13 command. We're positioning next to Rescue 11 for the tipping floor roof.
Yeah, if you can get in closer, because that area over there is just a tarp. Over top the ground boxes and whatnot.
Correct. The tower's going to reposition now. Engine 3 arrival at the 32 engine assignment.
Receive engine 3.
Ladder 28. I believe we're going to be detecting service.
Man, you want to hold side, Charlie?
Repeat what unit was that, I'm sorry?
Ladder 28.
I may have you come in and set up next to Tower 13 standby. Well, continue in, but yeah.
Okay.
Bravo's 22 over the third engine. Look for sample system inside Charlie.
Receive engine 22. Okay.
13-5 layout to 13-5 chauffeur. A split lead complete. I'm going up with crew. Copy.
Engine 3 to 5, we're heavy. We'll do engine lay-in from the hydrant at the Bravo complex. Supply us.
Alright, engine 22, you copy.
Go to Rescue 11 officer.
Concerning Rescue 1, go to the other side of the compactor at this point in the harvest and trying to get
Second line over here, where Tower 13 is trying to make access. Copy. Repeat that.
we have 5 between the house of quarter.
Copy that. Tower 13 OV to command. Tower 13 OV, go ahead. One in the rear, no basement. Multiple walkouts being loaded off. Fire showing. Copy that. Multiple walkouts, fire showing, no basement. 13-5 chauffeur, so Rescue 11 chauffeur, you ready for water? Rescue 11's ready for water. Copy, water in the way.
Arrival, Rescue 20, third defension. Rescue 20.
Ladder 25 arrival. Fourth discussion.
Receive that 25.
13-5 chauffeur, Brandywine command, I'm on positive water. Rescue 11 officer, you ready for that water?
I need water.
Go ahead and send the water. Water's already sent.
Campus, I chased down the line. The engine crew to make sure it's straightened out. Rescue 11 charge. Your officer side discharge.
Copy, officer side discharge.
I'm still in officer. Rescue 11 officer, 50 man, ground the working on over the top.
Rescue 11 officer, go ahead and repeat that for us.
We're here in the rescue line. Tower 13 officer to Rescue 11 officer. We have fire behind you, burn through your line.
Rescue 11 officer.
Attack me, we were set up on fire, we have one order.
Rescue 11 officer, if you can't make a push on us, back out. We'll go defensive.
Back out, back out.
50 vaccine firewood.
Tower 30 command. 3 for Rescue 11 out.
13 AP to command. Go ahead, 13 AP. Alright, let's do an orderly withdrawal from the structure. We'll start with a defensive attack and try to transition into an offensive later on once we get a control on this. Also recommend a second alarm for manpower. Yeah, I'm following you. Again, firewood, hit the evac codes for a orderly withdrawal. Go ahead and start me a second alarm.
All units operating at 100 Amer Road. An emergency evacuation of the structure has been ordered by command. All firefighters operating in the structure evacuate immediately. All units operating 100 Amer Road. An emergency evacuation of the structure has been ordered by command. All firefighters operating in the structure will evacuate immediately. All units and divisions officers report to command upon exiting the structure.
Tower 13, OV and roof. I'm back to the front of the tower.
13 AP command.
Good.
That's accountability for all crews. They've been evacuated. And they're starting their defensive attacks.
Copy that, thank you.
Engine 17 with 4.
Receive engine 17.
Engine 22 operator, come over to ladder 25.
Tower 16 with 3. Receive tower 16.
Exit 23 with 4. What's the block fence?
Receive engine 23. Tower 21 command.
Go ahead for command.
Alright, bit of a delay with everything going on. You passed your 10-minute mark. For contacting utilities, FM's been contacted. We pledge with coverage.
Understood, thank you. And go ahead with the coverage.
Alright, let me know about the rundown too.
Stand by on that. We're going to get things situated.
Receive command.
23 arrival. Contact 4 top 6. Tanker 33 arrival.
Receive.
Tanker 33, if you can make your way all the way around, we greatly appreciate it. And fireboard, all the units for the second alarm have them staged at the parking lot at the entrance.
I receive command. All units currently responding 100 Amer Drive, not on scene. Stage in the parking lot for command.
13 AP command.
Go ahead, 13 AP.
Our units from 11 and 13 are now entering the building. We're starting their offensive attacks. Try to contain it.
Copy that, thank you. Do you know down that end if Tanker 33 is able to make their way around this way?
Back here.
Tower 13 officer to Brandywine command. Do you want vertical ventilation?
If you're able to safely make that cut, make it. Tanker 33, continue further around and rescue engine 22, please.
Command recommendation would be to have them lay in or hook into engine 3 from the city.
Okay. The only thing I'm thinking right now is we don't have a water supply down this end, and we've got fire down this end. We have the hydrant supply coming in down that end.
Okay.
13 off.
Go ahead.
We're 50 feet in and 50 feet to the right from the entrance. We've been keeping off on the conveyor belt. We still have good fire and storage space for central. The tower's getting a credit behind. We'll be either right or line of back to extension of the catwalk.
Copy that.
Rescue 11 officer to command. Can we figure out what's going on with Rescue 11 and can we go fast on our line?
13 AP, can you go over to Rescue 11 officer or driver, make sure they can get more pressure?
Yeah.
Deputy 11's on his way over to you as well, 13 AP.
Ladder 20 officer command.
Go ahead, ladder 28 officer.
If we can get a line through that office, we got fire on the first floor. We can hit it easily.
Copy that. I'm working on getting you some water.
Rescue 11 officer, that's where we're at. We're racing over that way. We're just trying to get the stuff above us out. Once we get water again.
Copy that.
I just need more pressure on the line. Tower 13 officer to command.
Go ahead, Tower 13.
Primary of all occupied areas, office area, and anything you can get in the warehouse is negative.
Copy that, all negative. Command to 13AC or Deputy 11.
Deputy 11, go ahead.
Are we going to be able to get a hand line over that way?
Rob, 1 to 30.
Stevens 30.
Tower 13 also command. The emergency power to the bailout. Emergency button has been shut off.
Copy that, shut off.
Ocean 11 officers to operations.
Engine 22 operator, stars alarm.
Coming. Arrival engine 23 station.
Stevens 23.
Ocean 11 officers to command.
Guy for command.
Alright, documentation purposes. I got one guy up on the scaffolding walkway. You should we get up an upper higher advantage on this.
Alright, we're trying our best efforts to get to an upper area to make access.
From the interior, it's burning the entire left line, and we're doing as best as we can. We still have heavy fire on the original area.
Understood.
We'll have a 25 officer Brandywine command.
Good.
That big bay window is open up. You want to try to roof and open up?
Check the roof, make sure you're able to. If you're able to, make a cut. If not, don't get on the roof.
Copy.
Engine 17 around the staging. Stevens 17.
13 5 officer command.
Last unit calling command.
Command 11. At this time, you got 2 runs in service. You got 13 fires on the Alpha corner, making a knock on the fire spreader from the Delta exposure. Once you're on making access to the catwalk on the machine to get the fire knock on the roof line. If we can, we're going to need a third line in here.
Copy that. We got a third line in the office area with rescue engine 22. If I can get you another one, I will.
Tower 16 arrival. Receive Tower 16.
That's 11 officers to operations. You guys going up under the landing now, so try to hit above us.
I didn't copy that fire proof. Was that for me?
13 5 officer to command.
Go for command.
I send my backup and now I'm going to have to get air. If there's any way to get someone to taxi the air miles on 13 5 up here, it'd be so appreciated.
Copy that one and share. Fire Brandywine command. Go ahead, Fire Marshal. For utilities, you're going to need gas also or just electric? We'll find out. Hold on. FM 21. I see Bravo FM 21. 13 big man. 13 big. Crews are reporting that the fire on the main floor is contained. However, they're having issues accessing the catwalk to reach the conveyor belt. That's what they're working on now, just for accountability purposes. Okay, Steve. What company's operating there? Sorry, repeat that. What company's operating there, CJ? 5. Rescue 11, Tower 13. Engine 3 from the city is on the exterior, working from the inside and the outside. Okay, receive.
What's wrong, officer? We're the operation. It's not ready for landing. What's the catwalk?
You gotta repeat that, Rescue 11. I heard something about the catwalk.
What's wrong with my dog? What's the catwalk? What's the catwalk? It's bringing the fire. The official entrance.
Okay, receive.
I'll synchronize station.
Tower 13 also to command. Tower 13 also to command.
Ladder 28 also to command.
Go ahead, ladder 28 officer.
The secondary search on the main fire floor is complete. Negative.
Copy. Secondary search complete. Negative.
Tower 13 also to command.
Go ahead, Tower 13 officer.
Over there, coming out the Bravo side. We left the Super 2 at the bottom of the recycling center.
Tower 13 officer, all I got was Super 2.
We're clear coming out the Bravo side of the tipping floor. We left the Super 2 at the base of the recycling plant. We're out bottles and try to get back to it.
Copy that.
Good.
What's wrong, officer? Tower 11 officer. What's wrong, officer?
Repeat that, Rescue 11 officer.
Yeah, if we get some other up there on his land, reach there for about 5 minutes.
Okay. Just a few minutes here, we're getting organized. Command to Tanker 19. You're going to set up on side Delta. You're going to supply Wilmington engine 3, engine 17, engine 30, engine 23. Then we shut our order from Hay Road.
Engine 22 shut for recharge that line.
Tanker 19 copy. Supply Wilmington engine 3.
35 Military Command.
Engine 13 also.
35 Military Command. Crew of 5 is out. Swapping models on the outer side.
Okay, received. Command all second alarm companies. Report to side Alpha West along the river. Get it, manpower pool.
Brandywine, Command Deputy 11.
Deputy 11, guys.
Are we good in that corner, or do we need a handline coming from the riverside of the boxes area?
Stand by.
Tower 13 Officer Command. There is a handline in place right inside of the tipping floor, which is against the river. Someone can come grab that.
Copy that.
Center 1 to command.
Go for command.
Be advised and agent, you got Tanker 22, Tanker 23, Tower 16, Engine 17, Engine 18, and Engine 23, with Tanker 23 on scene to supply Engine 3 with water.
Copy that. If the engines can have their crews come down, drop them off at command post, that'd be greatly appreciated. As well as Tower 16 crew.
Copy that, I have them report to command.
From there, we'll have them shuttle as 22 acre length from.
Deputy 11 command.
Got it.
If there's a crew available on a hand line, you can start a second line up to that riverside building.
Copy that. Once we get everybody's manpower pulled up here, we'll evaluate and see what we can give you.
Alright, Brandywine command.
Go for command.
Command, for accountability purposes, is Engine 18 on scene? They put themselves en route with the two.
Have not seen them back here yet. Battalion 1, are they up there with you?
Be the 5 where that's correct. Engine 18 punctual.
Copy that, thank you. Bring her for around.
Tower 13, command.
Last uniform command.
Tower 13, Ruth. I see an extension to the dumping station from the car side of that door.
Just to confirm, you said you got attention to the Charlie side of Charlie.
The car side of that dumping station.
Copy that.
Alright, Brandywine command.
Go for command.
Command, Battalion 2 is advising to hold an operator for 507 shortly. If you have any interest in utilizing it, you say advising is a water supply.
Alright. Engine 18's working on the draft for water supplies. We'll advise.
Receive Chief.
Engine 5 for the fire. Engine 5 for the fire.
Brandywine Command Fire.
Brandywine command.
You check with Wilmington Fire. See if we can get their air trailer.
Alright, receive.
Tanker 19 also track.
Okay, thank you, 19.
Okay, Tanker 19 hooked up to Wilmington engine 3, 5-inch. We have a flapper valve installed in the line. We're going to give initial water, and then once 18 has our water supply hooked up, they'll be able to pump into it as well.
Perfect, thank you.
Engine 18 to command.
Go ahead, Engine 18.
Alright, we have good access to the water main all the way to the line. Give us a tip.
Thank you, sir.
Engine 23 to command.
Go ahead, Engine 23.
We have additional handline in service. We're about 3 stories up. We're in the process of switching people in and out. Still got some fire throughout on the conveyor belt. Most of it's not.
Copy that, thank you. Last unit. Copy that on your need manpower. Fireword, what unit was that?
I had trouble hearing the identifiers come up as Command 11.
Copy that.
Alright, Brandywine command.
Go ahead, Fireword.
Battalion 2 advising he's handling the air unit deployment.
Copy that. Command Fireword.
Brandywine command.
If you can start a third alarm for manpower purposes and have them man pull and stage for now. Battalion 12 will be there to greet them.
Receive command.
Go for command.
I'm going to be the press. It's in the, if you get to your alpha side where the hose lines are coming in, you can see the news around there. So I can see them in and out.
Copy that. 11 manpower for you.
Delta Squad 17 is Round 4.
Delta Squad 17. On your rebel stage, send your manpower around to the A side of the manpower pool.
Battalion 4 staging to command.
Go ahead for command.
I missed your assignment for the 3rd Alarm Company, so they had to come in and stage and send their manpower forward.
That's correct.
Okay. Also, I believe someone ran down a list of companies that were going to be supplying Tanker 19. There's 2 engines sitting here in staging. I don't know if they have any operators, but Tanker 19 is half a tank, and he does not have a supply yet.
Okay, I'll see if I can get that answer for you about operators.
Okay.
13 man. Good, 13 man.
Alright, any additional manpower that you have, if you have, send them over here with myself and Deputy 11. We'll try to put them in service where we need them.
Copy that, thank you.
Also, for accountability purposes, Engine 18 is entering the building. Engine 22 is removed. And Tanker 19 has entered the building.
Copy that. Can you find out if Engine 23, Engine 17, and Engine 30 have their operators at their engines so we can shuttle water down?
Engine 17 is up.
Tanker 19, officer, command.
Go ahead, Tanker 19.
Chief, we have a pretty good amount of fire in the area where the recycling pile is with the front end loader. We're going to need a line over here. And probably, once we get it darkened down, an operator for that front end loader to move this pile around.
Copy that. 13 you got any manpower to send over that way?
That's correct.
Copy, thank you. And ladder 25 sent it down to you for manpower.
Tanker 19, officer, command. We're going to need a 3rd line. If we can stretch it from Wilmington's engine into this canopy area, that'd work great.
Manpower 13 is working on that now.
Thank you. Command to 13AJ. Rescue 20's Cascade system is operational if we need to refill any bottles.
Okay. Is that located over by you?
Correct.
Alright.
Delco Tower 50 now response to the scene.
Delco Tower 50 now. Tower 50 now, what's your staffing now?
Staffing 3.
Engine 23 back up to engine 22 operator. Engine 23. Engine 22. Who's that pressure in your line?
Rescue 11 officers to operations.
Rescue 11 officers.
My crew is now entered where Tanker 19 was. We were starting to advance alignment 19. And we also said that.
Yeah, copy, thank you.
Rescue 11 officers to command. Any luck on somebody for the front loader?
Yeah, I sent somebody over to operations.
Rescue 11 officer, I have him. Where do you need him?
At the front loader so we can start getting this moving.
Okay.
Delta Squad 17 to command.
Go for command.
Yes, sir, we're approximately 5 minutes now. Do you have a staging area, or do you want us to come into the scene?
Yeah, Battalion 4 needs to investigate.
Staging to Delta Squad 17. Staging. There's a fire policeman out on Edgemore Road, just past the mulch facility. We're going to come down that road and pull in behind Tower 16 and report to me at my vehicle. Be copy.
Operations command.
Go ahead.
You give the staging officer, when they start bringing the manpower down, have them bring some high-rise back so we can extend some of these lines.
Copy that. Did you copy that? Staging?
Rescue 11 officers to command.
Yeah, for command.
Alright, we have the operator for the front loader. We're going to start utilizing him moving the product that's towards the Charlie side of the building out to the entrance. We have a supply line and a hand line ready to rock and roll for that.
Did you copy that operation? Delta Squad 17 position.
Okay, Squad 17. Squad 17, you call him staging. And what do you guys know are arriving? We're coming over the buggy now. Okay.
BTH command. Can I get some of the manpower that's standing in the back of whatever Wilmington engine is near ladder 28 to bring me a fresh section of hard suction? We got a van like over here.
Copy that. Copy that. We'll get somebody over there. We sent over the hard section.
That's a 3 officer.
Go for command.
Just making sure I heard right. Engine 18 in the intersection of hard section.
That's correct. Can you facilitate?
You want it over 22?
Yeah, if you don't have any on hurry, go ahead and get it off anyway.
Okay. Elko Tower 59 arrival. Tower 59.
Tanker 19, I have Elko Squad 17 and Engine 23 going to be coming up to get your order.
Yeah.
59 right behind the other tower. Rescue 11 officer to operations.
Rescue 11.
I have 3 suspicious. The captain from 23. What we were discussing was the front end letter, we were around and they started that process just for documentation purposes.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Also make notification or announcement that nobody comes into that section due to the front end letter not being able to visually see anybody.
Okay, operations command. 9-5, we'll make the announcement to be aware of the operator of the front letter. There's low visibility.
Copy that.
Cover all companies operating inside. Cover all companies operating inside. Use caution. Forklift operator. All companies operating inside. Use caution. Forklift operator.
Engine 30 also rescue 11 operators. Shut your lights down so we can extend this.
Agent command for operations. Okay. I have Power 59 here with me. Do you need anything other than hand tools from them, specifically power saws or anything like that?
Affirmative. We're going to have an assignment for you once you get down here. Enter the building at the rear of ladder 28 and check the interior of that building. Make sure we don't have any flare-ups.
Last unit calling Rescue 11. Get your review. Rescue 11 operator, shut your line down so we can extend your line. Copy, shutting the line down.
CP to Delco 17.
On Delco Squad 17 operator.
The command post is trying to reach Delco 17 officer and the crew.
Squad 17, guys.
Delco 17, when you get here, meet up with Engine 59, and you guys are going to check the inside of the rear of ladder 28. Make sure we don't have any flare-ups inside the building.
I copy. We just met up with Engine 23's officer. Do that or go with them?
Yeah, that's a good point of contact.
Copy. Agent command.
Go please, man.
Delco Tower 59 is coming up with 3. You already have 17. I have Pennsville Engine 5 here with a crew of 3. Their operators remaining with the apparatus. You have three manpower, a total of 4 on that crew. I'm going to send them forward as well.
I copy. They're going to be the RIT in the area, Tower 13.
Understood. Currently in staging, you have Tower 16, Tower 59, Pennsville 5, Squad 17, Engine 23. They all do not have any manpower except for operators. 59 and 15 do not have operators.
Stand by, Rob. Command post to Engine 30 officer. Command post to Engine 30 officer.
Yeah.
Receiving an emergency alert from your portable. Please reset. Are you under control?
We're under control.
Thank you. Please reset.
Rescue 11 operations.
Good.
Hi, Rescue 11.
Alright, the front loader, IV is not working. The operator can't see inside the overhang.
Okay. From your perspective, can we utilize Tower 13 for a master stream and not what you're trying to get to down? Can we do some removal of the building?
That will work if they go above that start section where it's burned out. That's what can't fire. Right below that hole.
Okay, we'll get them set up, and before they flow water, we'll make sure we'll pull everybody from that area.
Tanker 19, Officer Command.
Last unit calling the command post.
Tanker 19, hey Mike, we're chasing multiple fires in the chutes on Division 1, leading up to Division 2. We're getting water on the fire now.
I copy. You're chasing fire from the number 1 to the number 2 floor. So you need another crew with you.
Yeah, we're good. We're just going to need all the crews to check all the open chutes for fire extinction. Every time we run into one, we keep on fire.
I copy. Pat, you have 6 with you, correct?
That's correct. 4 operating interior and 2 at the rig.
Copy. Squad 7, Farmer. Squad 7, switch over to TAC 4. Command post to Engine 17 driver.
Engine 17.
Just confirming that's Newcastle Engine 17, correct?
That's correct. Route going up on Hay Road.
Alright, I have an assignment for you. I need you to come to the command post. We're rough in the area of field comm.
Tanker 33 is right in front of us. We need you to spin around and reverse lay out. And you're going to go to refuel 11.
Okay. Ladder 20, officer to command.
Go for command.
We repositioned the line off engine 22 to a flare up behind ladder 28. I have 23, Delco 17, and 59 with me.
I copy. You're working a hotspot in the rear of ladder 28.
Tanker 29, Rob.
Tanker 29, 0719.
Operations, ladder 25, officer.
Right.
Give me a progress update.
Still working on overhaul.
Okay, and you are positioned where the canopy tent is, correct? Between that and the building?
Right front. Right out front of Tower 13.
Okay.
22 fuel count.
Still go.
Engine 30. Can take that aside. They're ahead of engine 17.
Alright, I copy you. Engine 30 is going to take the assignment for the reverse lay.
Correct. It's going to go off of Wheaton engine 3. Just supply tanker 33.
Okay.
Tank 19 Officer Command. I'm sending my backup and support out to swap models. The officer and husband are staying inside, just for accountability.
Alright, Pat, do you need anybody else in there with you?
Yeah, Mike, we're good. We're just chasing a bunch of hotspots with these conveyor systems and ductwork.
Okay.
Tower 13 to command. We're in position above the tipping floor.
Operations command.
Operations go.
Between the canopy, the storage area, and the building, members are inside. They're having an issue getting to the fire due to the buildup of products. My recommendation would be to remove them from the area and start using master stream operations with Tower 13 that has positive water, and then we can re-enter the building and mop everything up.
Okay. So we want to remove everyone from the building where in the area Tower 13 where the bump out is. Pull the loader out and start hitting it with master streams. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Command approves. Can you handle removing everyone from that site, making it safe so we can put that master stream in service?
Will do. Operations ladder 25, officer.
We'll make our way out.
Okay. Double check, make sure everybody's out of that area. Make sure you're the last one out.
Operations, be advised. Tanker 19's crew is still in there too. We need to make sure they're out.
We have the officer from 13 entered the building, made verbal contact with them. They are not in that area that we're going to work on.
I copy. Tower 13 officer, do you understand what we're trying to accomplish?
Correct.
First 11 officer to operations. Operator for the front end loader is already out.
Okay, operator's already out.
Engine 30 officer for accountability. We're exiting the building for release.
Okay. All units exiting the building, come to Tower 13 so that way I can keep accountability on you.
Go for field count.
He's calling on the communications channel. Tanker 19 out of the building.
Engine 22 operator 22.
Good.
Send that water.
On the way.
Operations command.
Good.
Ladder 25 officer has done his final sweep. Everyone has been removed from the building. We're going to start master stream operations there.
I copy. And the master stream is only going to affect the tenant area, correct?
That is correct. Tower 13 bucket, water's coming.
BJ to command post. We have our draft established. We're ready to flow to the tanker.
First 11 officers to operations. I have 2 members from Tanker 19 with me outside of the park area. Do you have accountability of their others?
Yeah, that's correct. They actually just live there.
Okay.
Command to 22-8 and operations. If you can come to the command post.
10-3, command 5.
F9 to 5, boys.
Ron.
WC air trailers in route.
Staging operation. Staging to command.
Go for command.
Alright, with 18 getting set up with their draft, I have an operator for engine 17. I also have Delco 17 as an operator and Tanker 29. Do you need them anywhere else, or can I send them up to you?
We're working on an operational plan now. Give me 2 seconds.
Alright, I'll hold them with their apparatus until I hear from you. Staging command.
Okay.
Command post to staging. And I've got Marvin down here where he wants them. They should be going to the building with the pump house. That's where all the utilities are.
Okay, is that around your side or this side over here?
I believe that it's at the base of the water tower.
Also, I need you to send your manpower pool to the front of Tower 13. Okay, I'll get them together and I'll give you a number in a second.
Okay.
Command post to Tower 16 operator.
Yes.
Tower 16, I need you to report to Engine 18 officer at the rear of the structure with your apparatus, or reposition you to the alpha side and try to get you worked in.
There you
Command, you want Delmarva to drop the whole complex?
That's affirmative. Drop the whole complex.
Understood, he has that assignment. Staging to Tanker 29 operator. Can you report forward to staging? Just yourself. Copy. Engine 23 operator. Can you report to the staging officer, please? Command post to Tanker 19 operator. Tanker 19 operator. Can you do me a favor and back your pressure down to engine 3, please? Copy.
Operation Tower 13 bucket. Just to keep you in the loop, the last discharge valve on Rescue 11 is having a problem opening, so we're going to reduce you down to 2.5. We're going to try to get you as much water up there as possible. You can try to hit that little shed-looking thing on the roof when you get up there. Start trying to knock that down.
Received. The middle of the main building, not the tarp roof, but the main building has darker smoke coming out of that hole there. That may be the conveyor belt pack. Engine 16 is trying to hit.
Yeah, that's correct.
Engine 18, can you shut that line down?
Copy. You shut down.
You shut down. Tower 16, give me 1 second. Engine 23 is going to back up.
First reload officer to Tower 13 operator. Rocket operator.
Hello.
5 foot in. Straight down. If you can hit that with your nozzle, start darkening in there. Right down.
Received. Operation told us to start in the center of the building with light smoke coming from. Operations, you want us to move to the tarp roof. Engine 18 officer to operations.
Tower 16, come on up.
Engine 18 officer to operations.
Good.
So there's 2 fires, there's one in the middle and there's one on the end. It looks like you got a hand line stretch on the one on the end. Do you want to reposition 16 instead of taking the end of the building and try to get the middle, or do you still want to go to the original plan?
We'll go to the original plan for now.
Understood. We're moving in that position now.
Staging command. Staging, go for command. I have Tanker 29 and Delco Squad 17's operators. Those are the only manpower I have in staging at this time.
Tower 13 bucket.
Alright.
We got a good access point down here on the ground. You guys will be able to hit everything that you're trying to hit from the top. Let's come down.
First Street Brandywine. 18, you can charge up 5 inch again.
Engine 18 operator. Tanker 19 operator. Welcome back to work.
Tanker 19 operator.
First reload officer to operations.
Good.
First rep live. Under the canopy. Expected double stack trailers or lone bolts underneath. Make sure it's not going to fall on you guys.
Okay.
Command post staging. Staging. Just be advised you do have a 4th alarm coming in.
And 19 officer command.
Good. Okay. Can you give me a rundown of this company, please? Tower 27, Squad 9. And you'll have a 3rd engine coming to you. Okay. Tanker 19.
Alright, we forced entry into the exposure building. We have a pretty good smoke condition. We checked with the thermal, we can see about 50 feet into the building, there's no grain. We have a large area search wheel in service. You want us to proceed in and check for fire session.
That's a negative. Stay out of that building for now. As long as we don't have any active fire that we can see, we're going to leave it alone for now.
Okay, copy.
Tower 16 operator, engine 18.
Guys.
We're ready for water whenever we are.
Alright, 16 is supply coming from the tanker, I believe. They do have water, so the tanker 19 send a water 16.
Water's on the way, 16.
Alright, engine 18 officer to engine 18. You're supplying tanker 19, which is also supplying tower 16 now.
Engine 18 operator, copy.
Tower 13 bucket. Just stay and work on that area for now.
13-5 officer command.
Got it.
Correction, 13-5 officer operations.
13-5 officer.
We did find an area to stretch one line where the tower line is not reaching. Help him focus on the area to your right
we can start knocking down the stuff inside.
Okay. If we keep the power ladders where they're at working now, there won't be no issue with you guys going in, correct?
That's correct.
Alright, let's do it.
Engine 18 operator, just hold that pressure for now. We should be good. We're supplying the power ladder and another axle.
Squad 9.
Staging Squad 9.
Go ahead.
Alright, just stage your apparatus up there, around power 59. Get you in the timer. Back and just stand by there.
Okay.
13-5 officer operations.
35 officer, go ahead.
If you have manpower available, we're in the defensive operations over there in this line zone of service. Getting some of these dead hand lines from the building out would be useful.
Okay. 30's going to help you with that.
Staging to command.
Go for command.
Alright, two things. I have Squad 9 here. I'm not sure what their manpower status is. And also, Delmarva has advised that all the power is secured.
I copy Squad 9 there. Delmarva's got the power. Your other engine is going to be engine 12, I believe.
I copy engine 12. You want Squad 9 to stay in staging, or do you need them up there?
Keep them with you for now.
Okay.
Rob, do you have a ambulance crew up there with you?
Tower 16 officer, Tiger 19 operator.
You can increase that pressure.
Yeah.
Stand by, I'm going to check these units up here.
We have A13 by the buggy.
Alright, I see 13 down here at staging, there's nobody with it.
Confirming just the stage.
Yeah, I just need them out there, that's all.
Alright.
Okay.
Engine officer command. I'm going to commit engine 23 to the alternative workforce with the boat when I get you.
Copy, engine 23 is going to handle the boat work supply.
Operations power 16.
Power 16, you're...
How are you making out over there?
We got water on the pile. We're just going to clear the truck out there on it.
Okay, thank you.
CP to 22-8. You and walk over here.
Just keep coming.
I just need to face to face with you. 11 feet of operation.
Good.
I believe Delco engine 17 is on the line. They're up on the conveyor belt now. They're trying to get the bulk of the fire out from there. We're going to blow out a fire up there. The fire in the ground level is not. Just going to have to get some manpower to move it.
Okay. Sounds like something wrong.
11 feet of operations. I got engine 13 down here to move around the fire on the ground level.
Okay. Tower Company 59 entered the building to help you with 3 personnel.
Staging Tower 27.
Yeah.
Just pull your apparatus amongst the apparatuses and staging and hold your crew for the moment.
Proceed.
13-5 officer, to operation.
13-5 officer.
We need the deep seated fire. Forget we're running out.
Okay, I got you. Operations Tower 13, copy.
Go ahead.
Alright, I'm going to have you shut down your master screen for a few seconds. I need you to open up the roof to the left of you.
Please do. Delco Squad 17, command.
Command post Deputy 11.
Deputy 11, guys.
Are you able to make your way back to the command post to have a face-to-face with the operators from the plant?
On my way. 11 8B to operation.
No problems. 11 AP, go ahead.
We're going to shut down engine 17's line for a second so we can extend the line. We're making good progress, but we're going to need to extend it.
Okay. There should be a nozzle on the end of that 2.5 where you can shut it down inside, so you don't have to shut it down in the truck.
Alright, 7 command. We're about 10 minutes out. It's just coming through the Christina right now.
Engine 18 operator, Fireboat 7.
Engine 18 operator.
18, come up on track 6.
Command post to Engine 18 officer.
Command post to 18-8. 18-8.
Just heads up. I'm sure you're aware of what low tide is at 8:18.
Perfect. That means it'll only get better from here.
Absolutely.
So.
Match 12. Engine 12, pull up here in front of Tower 27 or behind engine 17.
13-5 officer to operations.
13-5 officer.
I'm sure you're aware, just a heads up. We're extending the line now so you can see the machinery that's on fire. I was looking from the outside.
Smoke conditions are improving from the exterior. Nothing under pressure. I copy that you extended your line. You're back in service, correct?
Chief, that's a negative. We're extending now. I'm in communications with 13-5 officer and engine 17 from Delco.
Okay.
Also, for accountability, I have ladder 25 screw, 5/9 screw.
Okay. Thank you, Pedro. I'll switch command. I'm going to send a couple more guys with us in.
Yeah, no problem. Are you with 11 and 13-5 officer?
11 AP to 13-5 officer.
Go for 13-5 officers.
Are you good for the line to be charged again?
Yes.
Staging operation.
Go ahead.
Now your fourth alarm is in staging. And engine 12 with 4, squad 9 with 3, and tower 27 with 3. The command post copies that. Thank you.
Operations command.
Operation, go for command.
Sorry, disregard. Operations and staging officer.
Staging.
Alright, send me 12 and 27 to the front of tower 13 with hooks or manpower.
Copy 12 and 27 to tower 13 with hooks.
Correct.
Command post. Agency pick.
13-5 officers.
Go ahead.
We're on the fire and machinery. It's going to be knocked down.
Okay, sounds like it's time for you to come out.
Staging command.
Go ahead, staging.
Alright, just for accountability, you're down to squad 9 in staging. I would recommend if you plan on needing more manpower, at least backfilling another engine up there.
Copy that. Operations, are you going to need more manpower? It looks like you got sufficient amount of manpower right now resting up.
Yeah, we'll be fine. However, fatigue is going to set in once we start overhauling, so you might as well get somebody filled in that position.
Copy that. We'll work on that.
11 AB to operation.
11 AP.
Alright, 13-5 officer cycling out. I got a ladder 25 screw headed up to take over the line with engine 17. They're making really good progress on this conveyor belt.
Okay, I copy it. Tower 13 is working on ventilation for you.
Yeah. Do we have an aerial flowing currently?
Tower 16 is flowing into the canopy area towards where you're operating. They should be hitting there since they are. Just let me know.
Okay, yeah, have them back it down for a minute. They're getting ready to hit the conveyor belt itself, which is good, but we're losing some of their visibility real quick.
Okay. Operation Tower 16.
We can be the
Okay.
16, just hold off where you are. Don't lose that position. I'll let you know when you can start flowing again. Okay.
Rescue 11 officers to operations.
Rescue 11.
We're on the delta side, getting a hot spot from the inside of where the conveyor belt is.
Okay. Are you working with anybody?
Just myself and crew. 13's at the other end with 11 AP.
Okay, I got you.
We're trying to find access to the upper catwalk here because we still have active fire above us.
Okay.
11 AP out engine 17 crew. Ladder 25 is going to be the sole operating on the conveyor belt.
Okay. You need an additional crew in here with you?
Yeah, I think one is staging in here. Cycle through.
Okay. Let me know what you need.
So this squad 17 is community advised. I have my 4 personnel. We're coming out where we have.
Copy that.
11 AP to ladder 25. Recognize you there. We're on take water right now. Well, right.
Copy that. We'll work on that for you.
Tiger 19, we should have that drive back up. And ship's wake took it down. I'm sorry, can you repeat for Tiger 19? We lost the draft on that wake. We're working on it now. It's coming back. Copy that. Yeah, that's right.
Command, just FYI, we lost the draft to fasten barge, leaking our supply line, leaking our strainer. Copy that.
19, here comes the order again. Got it. 19, here comes the order.
Got
Fireman 7, right. 5 with 7. Okay. 11 AP to ladder 25 officer. What's your progress up there? What the hell are you in there?
We're pretty good on here. We're making good progress. These things first out.
25, when you're done, ladder 19, or Tiger 19 crew's going to be at the bottom steps for you to release.
Operation Tower 16.
Tower 16 over,
You guys back on positive water or negative?
affirmative.
Okay, you can start lightly flowing inside the canopy area again.
Ladder 25 operation.
Press.
Why do they be in operation?
Right.
Be with command, if we can get a rep out here with a skid steer inside, and we can start moving some of these piles inside. We got good visibility for that on the inside.
Okay. Deputy 11 is working with the equipment operator now. You want to coordinate that with him?
Okay. I'm just looking for the skid steers for the inside, not the front end loader yet, for the outside.
Okay.
Operation 25 feet relieved by 19 now. 13, hold on for your toe.
Operations command.
Go for command.
All right, just give me a progress update. Units are making good progress on the interior. They gain access to the conveyor belt. They have started the extinguisher. We got a front loader in service now that the visibility has improved in the canopy area. He is now removing all the excess material to the exterior. I'll get back with you if anything changes.
Okay, thank you. And you have sufficient manpower at this time?
That's correct.
Copy that.
Operations command.
Good operation.
Can we have all company officers report to the command post for a briefing?
Copy that. I'll have field com 2 hit a code and alert everybody.
Okay.
Arrival 44-4.
44-4. Staging 44-4. Pull down over here next to tower 27 and engine 17 and hold your manpower.
Proceed.
All company level officers operating at the 4-alarm fire, 100 Amer roof. Respond to the command post at Philcom 1 for a briefing. All company level officers operating at the 4-alarm fire. Report to the command post at Philcom 1 for a briefing.
Agent command.
Go for command.
Just an update, I have squad 9 with 3 and Tech County engine 44 with 4 and staging now.
Copy that, thank you.
And you need the 2 staging company officers up there for that briefing as well?
Yes, please.
Okay. Staging squad 9 officers, copy that.
Yeah, we're on the way. Need battalion 4.
Battalion 4.
Chief, are you still in staging? If you are, do you have a pickup truck up there?
I am, and I believe we do have a pickup up nearby.
All right. If we can, stand by, let me go away from the generator. Chief, if we can, somebody hop in that pickup truck and grab 13, 17, and 12 hard suction. Bring them up to the draft site with engine 18, and we're going to set up a second draft. Command post, you copy?
All right, 18-8, just confirming you want 12, 17, and what was the other unit, hard suction?
Stand by, I got 2 radios going. The battalion 4, just stand by for now. We're going to confirm with the command, and then we'll let you know.
Okay.
Operations to Deputy 11.
Deputy 11, guys.
Are you with the equipment operator?
Can you repeat?
Are you with the equipment operator?
Affirmative, we have the small skid steer getting set up inside. Turn them over to 11 AC.
Okay, just so I can keep tabs on the equipment operator, are there 1 or 2 equipment operators operating in the building?
1 on this end.
Okay.
Engine 3, shut down the Bluetooth.
Oh, yeah.
Tower 16.
Yeah, 516.
Just do me a favor and make sure that no one is going to be operating in the tipping floor area that the loader is working in for the remainder of the incident.
Copy.
Tower 20 officer, engine 22 officer. He's coming to tower 13.
Operations to engine 44.
23.
Go for 22-8.
Disregard.
Engine 22 now, engine 22 operator.
Good.
Shut the line down for us.
Tower 16 officer, ops.
Good.
The loader ain't handy. He slowed back down too much. He's unable to make access right now.
Okay.
11 feet operation.
Good.
I understand Tower 16 slower right now. What's the tactical front end loader?
Tower 16 is reporting that the front end loader operator not comfortable running the machinery due to the smoke condition inside of the area.
Operations, if we stop on water for a little bit, it's a better lift for him to move.
Okay, let's do that.
Tower 16, we'll shut down the bucket now.
Okay, copy.
Engine 12, please outline.
Copy, it's good.
Engine 12, are you ready for water?
That's fine. Install wall water in the line again.
Josh, how's the pressure?
It's good now, thank you.
Operations to 11AB.
Yeah.
Hey, see if you can get a hold of that other Bobcat loader operator and see if he can't provide us with the ignition code for the other one.
Stand by a minute. So engine 12 is working on part of the loading end of the conveyor belt. We're all compacted. We still got some good fire ordering up in there. We can find a rep maybe to see if we can figure out how to open that up. That would be great.
Okay, when you get done doing that, come out to Tower 13 for face-to-face.
Are you looking for the code for the skid steer or front end loader?
Skid steer.
Paper 33, Engine 3, can you shut down my supply?
11AB, the operation ready for the code.
Yeah, go ahead.
Try either 1950, 1950, or 1975.
I'll be on try.
Command to 22-8. Got you. If you're able to, can you make your way over to the command post?
Engine 18 off. Engine 18 off.
22-8, you call.
Yeah, Chief, the other two loaders are here. We're going to work around the supply line, get them back there. Cab chopper, we're going to work on that, the supply line.
Okay, they're going to come down past the tanker. Correct.
Yeah, they're going to come in just ahead of Tower 16.
Just have me stop at the supply line and we'll shut it down.
Okay, received. 22-8, command. You just let that fire cop know to have those loaders come down. They'll coordinate the supply line once they get close.
Thanks, Master Officer, for me.
Agent Robinson,
Engine 18, let us know when we're good to disconnect so this excavator can get by.
Fine, sir, you can disconnect.
Okay, perfect. Tanker 19, Engine 18, you can start that line again when you're ready.
I'm ready with.
Operations 22.
18 to command, 18 to non-clear the scene.
Fishy.
Affirmative.
22-8, engine 13 chauffeur.
Go ahead.
Can you shut down 11 supply line? We're going to make some water supply changes here. Start freeing up the massive.
Yeah, copy that, shut down. Supply line shut down.
Okay, received.
That's making up for the shut down. Over to Tower 27.
Guys,
You can clear, thank you.
appreciate it.
SB11, can you charge that engine 3/4 again? Engine 12, I believe they're working on the tank order right now.
Copy. Fireboat 7, command. Fireboat 7 to 22-8.
Fireboat 7.
I understand you're scaling back to 2 and 1. I'm assuming you're sufficient. We're good to go in service.
That's correct. I'm on my way back to CP now. Let us know. Okay, you guys can take off. Thank you.
Understood. Fireboat, we're available.
Fireboat 2.